हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आज फिर एक बार आपके सामने एक नया जॉब अपडेट लेकर आया हूँ। आज का ये जॉब अपडेट है यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन द्वारा जारी किया गया नोटिफिकेशन, जिसमें वो 459 वैकेंसीज कंबाइंड डिफेंस सर्विसेज एग्जाम द्वारा फिलअप करने जा रहे हैं। इसके लिए एज लिमिट है 18 से 24 साल और इसका लास्ट डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन है 4 जून 2024। आइए डिटेल्स देखते हैं वैकेंसीज के बारे में। कंबाइंड डिफेंस सर्विसेज एग्जाम 2024, इसके लिए एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया इस प्रकार है। एज लिमिट है 18 से 23 साल इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी और इंडियन नेवल एकेडमी के लिए, और 20 से 24 साल है एयरफोर्स एकेडमी के लिए, और 18 से 24 साल है ऑफिसर्स ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी के लिए। क्वालिफिकेशन रिक्वायरमेंट इस प्रकार है। फॉर इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी एंड ऑफिसर्स ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी चेन्नई, डिग्री ऑफ a recognized university or equivalent. For Indian Naval Academy, degree in engineering from a recognized university or institution. For Air Force Academy, degree of a recognized university with physics and mathematics at 10+2 level or Bachelor of Engineering. Physical standards as per military, navy and air force standards as applicable for vacancies. सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस इसमें इस प्रकार है। कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन जो कंबाइंड डिफेंस सर्विसेज कंडक्ट किया जाता है, उसमें दो पार्ट है, एक रिटन एग्जामिनेशन और दूसरा है इंटरव्यू फॉर इंटेलिजेंस एंड पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट। रिटन एग्जामिनेशन में इंग्लिश का इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी, इंडियन नेवल एकेडमी और एयरफोर्स एकेडमी के लिए इंग्लिश का 2 घंटे का पेपर है 100 मार्क के लिए। जनरल नॉलेज 2 घंटे का है 100 मार्क के लिए, और एलिमेंट्री मैथमेटिक्स है 2 घंटे का 100 मार्क के लिए। ऑफिसर ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी के लिए सिर्फ इंग्लिश 2 घंटे का 100 मार्क के लिए और जनरल नॉलेज 2 घंटे का 100 मार्क के लिए। The maximum marks allotted to the written examination and to the interview will be equal for each course. That is, the maximum marks allotted to the written examination and to the interviews will be 300, 300, 300 and 200 each for admission to the Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy, Air Force Academy and Officers Training Academy respectively. The papers in all the subjects will consist of objective type questions only. The question papers, test booklets of general knowledge and elementary mathematics will be set bilingually in Hindi as well as English. In the question papers, wherever necessary, questions involving the metric system of weights and measures only will be set. Candidates must write the papers in their own hand. In no circumstances will be they allowed the help of a scribe to write the answers for them. The Commission have discretion to fix the qualifying marks in any or all the subjects of the examination. Standards and syllabus of the examination. The standards of the paper in elementary mathematics will be of matriculation level. The standard of papers in other subjects will be approximately such as may be expected of a graduate in an Indian university. Syllabus. English. The question paper will be designed to test the candidate's understanding of the English and workmanlike use of words. General knowledge. General knowledge including knowledge of current events and of such matters of everyday observation and experience in their scientific aspects as may be expected of an educated person who has not made a special study of any scientific subject. The paper will also include questions on history of India and geography of nature, which candidates should be able to answer without special study. Elementary mathematics, arithmetic, number system, natural numbers, integers, rational and real numbers, fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square roots, decimal fractions, unitary method, time and distance, time and work, percentages, applications to simple and compound interest, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, variation, elementary number theory, division algorithm, prime and composite numbers, test of divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 11, multiples and factors, factorization theorem, HCF and LCM, Euclidean algorithm, logarithms to the base 10, law of logarithms, use of logarithmic tables. Algebra, basic operations, simple factors, remainder theorem, HCF, LCM, theory of polynomials, solutions of quadratic equations, relations between its roots and coefficients, only real roots to be considered, simultaneous linear equations in two unknowns, analytical and graphical solutions, simultaneous linear inequations in two variables and their solutions, practical problems leading to the two simultaneous linear equations or inequations in two variables or quadratic equations in one variable and their solutions. This law of indices. Trigonometry, sin x, cosine x, tangent x. When x is between 0 and 90 degrees, values of sin x, cos x and tan x for x is equal to 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Simple trigonometric identities, use of trigonometric tables, simple cases of height and distances. Geometry, lines and angles, planes and plane figures. Theorems on properties of angles at a point, parallel lines, sides and angles of a triangle, congruency of triangles, similar triangles, concurrence of medians and altitudes, properties of angles, sides and diagonals of a parallelogram, rectangles and square, circles and its properties including tangents and normals, loci. Mensuration, areas of squares, rectangles, parallelograms, triangles and circle, areas of figures which can be split up into these figures. Surface area and volume of cuboids, lateral surface and volume of right circular cones and cylinders, surface area and volume of spheres. Statistics, collection and tabulation of statistical data, graphical representation, frequency, polygons, histograms, bar charts, pie charts, etc. Measures of central tendency. Intelligence and personality test. The services selection board procedure consists of two-stage selection process, stage 1 and stage 2. Only those candidates who clear the stage 1 are permitted to appear for stage 2. The details are as follows. Stage 1 comprises of officer intelligence rating OIR tests are picture perception description test PP and DT. The candidates will be shortlisted based on combination of performance in OIR test and PP and DT. Second part, stage 2 comprises of interview, group testing, officer tasks, psychology test and the conference. These tests are conducted over 4 days. The details of these tests are given on the website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The personality of a candidate is assessed by three different assessors, namely the interviewing officer IO, group testing officer GTO, and the psychologist. There are no separate weightage for each test. The marks are allotted by the assessors only after taking into consideration the performance of the candidate holistically in all the tests. In addition, marks for conference are also allotted based on the initial performance of the candidate in the three techniques and the decision of the board. All these have equal weightage. The various tests of interviewing officer, group testing officer, and the psychologist are designed to bring out the presence or the absence of officer-like qualities and their trainability in a candidate. Accordingly, candidates are recommended or not recommended at the services selection board. एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस डिटेल्ड एडवर्टाइजमेंट लिंक इस समय आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पर और इसको मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी दे दिया है, तो इसमें पूरी डिटेल जानकारी आपको इस वैकेंसीज के बारे में मिल जाएगी। इसका ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन लिंक इसके नीचे आप देख सकते हैं। इसके लिए एप्लीकेशन फ़ीस 200 रुपये है और इसका लास्ट डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन है 4 जून 2024। जो भी इंटरेस्टेड और एलिजिबल कैंडिडेट्स हैं, जो जिनका पैशन है डिफेंस सर्विसेज में काम करने का, उनके लिए ये बहुत ही सुनहरा मौका है और उसका वो ज़रूर लाभ उठा सकते हैं। इस रोल के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं जल्दी से जल्दी। आज का जॉब अपडेट आपको कैसा लगा ये हमें ज़रूर आपकी प्रतिक्रिया द्वारा कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए। वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकॉन प्रेस कीजिए, जिससे कि आने वाले जॉब अपडेट्स आपको रेगुलरली मिलते रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।